Arlene. Yes.
I have bad news.
Bad news? What is it?
I cannot go to the dinner tomorrow.
Can't go to the dinner? Why not?
I forgot. I have a dentist appointment.
Oh, that's no problem. Just cancel it.
I can't.
Sure you can. It's easy, just call the dentist office and cancel it.
No, you don't understand. He is popular dentist. It will take me another month just to make another appointment.
Well, why are you going to the dentist? Are you in pain?
No, I have to have a cavity filled.
Not so a problem. I can fill it for you right here.
What?
Oh, that's all right. I was just really excited about going to the dinner with Bill.
I know. I feel terrible.
That's okay. Are you free on Friday?
Yeah, in the evening.
Me too.
Hey, maybe we can move the date to Friday?
Good idea. I'll call Bill and see if we can postpone until Friday.
That sounds perfect.
Thank you for watching channel, Dan Sreyoun. Please subscribe, like and share.